Hey, it's Allison from Computers.mom, and this quick video will show you how to check which version of Windows is running on your computer. You'll find a one-page recap of the steps at the end of this video, so don't worry about taking notes. Microsoft Windows is, of course, an operating system, the software that makes a computer work. Without an operating system, your computer is just a bunch of parts. You probably know that Microsoft releases a major new version of Windows every few years. In the past decade, we've gone from Windows 7 to 8 to 10, they skipped 9, to 11. Between major versions, they also send out free updates to the operating system to fix bugs and add minor features. But not forever. Only Windows 10 and Windows 11 are currently supported, and for safety, you want to keep your operating system up to date. So here's how to check what you have. Take a look at the taskbar along the bottom of your screen. It might look like this or like this. Note the Windows Start buttons here and here, and you might also have a search box like this. The taskbar can be customized quite a bit, so there are a lot of variations on the appearance, but if it looks more like this, you're on a Mac, and this video is not for you. Now look at your keyboard. You should see a Windows key on the bottom left of your keyboard that looks like one of these. Tapping that key does exactly the same thing as clicking the Start button on the taskbar. You can use either the keyboard key or the Start button, whichever you prefer. So with all that in mind, to find your Windows version, all you have to do is use the WinVer command. How you run WinVer depends on your setup, so here are 3 ways. Option 1. If you have a search box like this on your taskbar, all you have to do is click in it, type WinVer, that's W-I-N-V-E-R, and press Enter. When you do, a window will open showing your Windows version. The major version is here, and the update version is here. So this computer is running Windows 10 with the 2.1H2 update. Option 2. Tap the Windows Start button, or if you prefer, press the Windows key. Type WinVer and press Enter. Same window we saw before, but in this case we're running Windows 11. Option 3. Hold the Windows key and tap the letter R on your keyboard. That opens the Run window. You can release both keys once you see the window pop up. Type WinVer in the Run window and press Enter, and you get the same window again. At least one of these options should work on any Windows computer. As promised, here's a quick recap. To find out what version of Windows you are running, use any one of these 3 methods. Type WinVer in the taskbar search box if you have one and press Enter. Tap the Windows key or click the Start button, type WinVer and press Enter. Hold the Windows key and tap the letter R to open the Run window, then release those 2 keys. Type WinVer and press Enter. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave comments and questions below. Click like if you found this helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more Computers.mom videos.